I'll never win in this state. Power, speed, and technique. I have to start all of my training over from square one, or I'll never beat him. All right, maybe I overpacked. No way. It'll be good for me.
Almost all fights are won by those who can eat the most. Just give me 1 month. That's all I need.
Nobody told you that you'd face the truth alone, but you got the power to begin. Let yourself wander, let your spirit find the way, reach for the power from within. Got no reason to let people keep you down. Stand up and fight for what you are. 'Cause your biggest challenge is the one that lies within yourself. Know what you're fighting for. Hold on to the vision in your eyes. Keep the fire burning bright. Got to make them realize only with this power can you rise. Hold on to that vision in your eyes. Never surrender to the doubts that cloud your mind. Never retreat from who you are. No, love is the magic that you carry on and on and on and on. Know what you're fighting for. Hold on to the vision in your eyes. Keep the fire burning bright. Got to make them realize only with this power can you rise. Hold on to that vision in your eyes. Hold on to the vision in your eyes. Keep the fire burning bright. Got to make them realize only with this power can you rise. Hold on to that vision in your eyes. Yeah, hold on to that vision in your eyes.
I'm still alive. I'm still here, alive. I should have died. Somehow my body just, I crossed the line. Ah! I can defeat him.